Next tutorial, I'm showing you some glitches at the Torval ruins. So, let's get this started. Okay, I was trying this during the introduction of this video, but it's called teleporting. If you want to teleport, first get out of where you want to teleport, and then you're gonna aim for about right in there. Then you're gonna want to jump up and get out. And sometimes I can get it, sometimes I can't. Whoa, I was standing. But yeah, sometimes you can teleport, and that's how you do it, but I'm not too good at that glitch, so yeah. Okay, this next glitch is you're going to want to get right over here and climb this little gravity wall. Then you're going to want to jump and charge boot, and you may fall through the wall. Hold up, I can usually do this on my first try, just to get lucky. Yeah, like that, and now you'll be in here. Whee! Okay, and now I want to show you how to get on the roof. This is like the biggest beginner glitch, but oh well. Okay, jump right here. You'll get a lot of air. Grab on something. Just pull yourself up. And then pull up and jump right here. You're gonna want to try to get up here, and it'll take a few tries. There we go. Then get right here, and then I may not make this, I don't know. But okay, you're gonna aim for about right there. They're gonna charge boot and flail. Now you're on this. And then this is how you get to the second building. Wrench out right there and just jet boot. And now you're up here. And then you can also aim for about right there and charge boot inside of here. Well, yeah, I had it. Okay, next glitch is you want to get right here and then want to ramp off this. You're going to want to try to walk through the wall up there. Might take a few tries. Hold up. Okay, like that. And then you're gonna wrench climb this thing, then just wrench climb this thing, get right here, double jump, get right here, and then get right here, and then jump right here, and you can pull yourself up here on another building. Then if you want to get out of the level, just get about right here, charge boot, and keep pressing square, and there you go. Now you're out of the level or behind Torval. And if you want to get out, come around here, and you can suicide or just walk through this place and you can just get out. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, this is how to get on the Torval tunnel a quick way. First, get a weapon out. Only a few weapons work. And for about right there, charge boot, fire, and wrench. It may take a few tries. We want to stand right here on this crack and aim for about right there. Then charge boot, fire, wrench. There we go. Okay. Just pull yourself up right here. Double jump right here. Then get right here. And you can go over there. But then you can also, right here, you're going to see something solid. You're going to double jump, wrench, they're going to land on this rock, and you want to see the view, just turn around, and there you go. You're on a rock. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to be trying to get the hover bike, or just up there. Yeah, right there. Okay, first, you want to ramp off right here, then try ramp off this glass and get up here. Then you're going to want to turn and get back right here and prop up right here on this little B thing. then you're gonna see the little secret platform right there, and if you want to get on, like up to it or something, just jump right here and keep going forward and forward, and you'll jump right here, and now you're on the secret platform. It's a really cool glitch. I don't know who found it, but it was found like about a year ago. It's with some skill if I can make it back over there. Yeah, I can't. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you like the oldest way to get inside of this wall. Hold up. You first get a hover bike. You're going to get it stuck like right in here. Then try and get out. It may take a few tries. Hold up. Okay, I think like this. And then you're going to get the bike stuck in like that. And it may take a few tries. And you can actually get inside that wall. Oh, what the heck, I'll just show you the easy way. Okay, you're right here. Walk through the wall with the hover bike. And now you're inside this little wall, and you can get under Torval also. Jump over here. Then you can go through this, and then over here, and you can go down that way too, and you can also go over here. It's kind of hard. I'm not sure if I found this or not, but it's like, oh, I made it, wow. You can actually get over here, and I think I just did that a couple of months ago, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And now you want to get the hover bike back up here. Then you're going to get it like right here. Go back and jump up, and you can actually get up here. And then you can get over there, but I want to show you something else. So, alright, first you're going to look for about right there. Wrench out a little. Jet boot, fire, wrench. Now you're over here, and you can actually, get over here on this little thing, like right there. I may miss it, cause yeah. Okay, one sec. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Okay, yeah, there we go. Then you can get over there and all that. Yep, pretty cool. And then the second secret platform is right over there, and you do pretty much the same thing to get on it. So yeah. Okay, and now I want to show you how to get up there. There's two ways, but okay, if you know how to do the walk through wall method, this is how you do it. Okay, you're right here against the wall, run down like right to the end, and get out. Then just double jump up here, double jump right here, you're right here, come up, double jump, and now you're up here. And then you can get right here, and shoot, I don't have any mines. But just, you can walk along and all that. And you can go all the way down there and get to the second layer on there. I'm not sure how to do the third layer without the fly glitch or the code breaker, but yeah, it's really cool. Okay, it's been Chidori glitching in the Torval ruins. I have much more glitches here, but yeah, I can't make my video too long. But if you have any questions, just post me online. So I will see you guys next time.